If you've been grinding on YouTube for months and still not getting traction, you're probably guessing. vidIQ is the tool that stops the guesswork. I tested it. Here's the honest verdict. Most creators waste time filming videos nobody searches for. The problem isn't effort, it's the lack of data. You need to know what people want to watch before you film it. That's the gap vidIQ fills. vidIQ is a YouTube SEO and growth platform trusted by over 20 million creators. It overlays keyword scores and competitor data directly inside YouTube Studio, so you're making decisions with real data, not gut feel. 3 features carry the product. The Keyword Explorer shows you exactly which topics are winnable. The Daily Ideas feed gives you personalized video ideas every morning, and the AI Coach writes your titles, descriptions, and thumbnail briefs. Here's how it works in 3 steps. First, install the browser extension. It layers data on top of YouTube Studio. Second, research keywords and pull daily video ideas before you film anything. Third, optimize your title and tags with AI, publish, and track how you stack up against competitors. The number that matters most, 20 million. That's how many creators are already using vidIQ to make better decisions on what to film. That's not marketing, it's the largest user base in YouTube SEO tooling. The dashboard is clean and built for speed. Keyword scores show search volume, competition level, and an opportunity rating at glance. The competitor tracking panel shows you exactly what's working on similar channels, updated daily. The obvious comparison is TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is cheaper, starts at $2.25 a month, and has the only A/B thumbnail testing in the category. But vidIQ wins on keyword research depth, daily ideas, and AI coaching. If you're still figuring out what to film, vidIQ has the edge. What vidIQ gets right, the keyword opportunity score is the best in class. You can tell in 10 seconds whether a topic is worth filming. The Daily Ideas feed saves hours of research every week. And the browser extension means you're optimizing inside YouTube Studio, not switching between tabs. Be honest with yourself about the cons. The free plan is too limited to judge the product. You'll hit the 150 credit ceiling fast. The AI coaching at lower tiers can feel generic. And if you're brand new with fewer than 10 videos, YouTube's own analytics will tell you everything you need for now. Pricing: the Boost plan is $16.58 a month, billed yearly. That's $199 for the year. That gets you 2,000 AI credits a month, the full Keyword Explorer, competitor tracking, and channel audits. The Max plan at $39 a month adds unlimited credits and priority support. This is from a creator named Jai Hayes, who's been using vidIQ for 6 straight years. When someone renews a subscription 6 times, that's the signal, not the marketing copy, the renewal. Frank runs a YouTube channel called Coffee with Pips. His take: the tools are great and the learning resources are genuinely useful, a combination you don't always get from SaaS at this price point. The verdict: if you're between 1,000 and 100,000 subscribers and you want a data edge on what to film, vidIQ is worth the $16.58 a month. It's not a magic button. You still have to make the videos, but it stops you from guessing. Rating: 4 out of 5. Free plan link is in the description. No card required to start. Test the Keyword Explorer on your next 3 video ideas. That's all it takes to know if this is for you.